Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the world from a bird's eye view. Today, we are going to take a closer look at the agricultural lands through the lens of a drone. The vast expanse of land and its intricate details are something that can be best captured through drone footage. So, let's get started and see what beauty the farmlands hold. The expanse of farmlands. When we think of farmlands, the first thing that comes to mind is the vastness of the fields. And what better way to capture this expanse than through a drone's lens? As the drone takes off, we can see the field stretching out in all directions, as far as the eye can see. The fields are divided into neat and tidy rows, with the crops growing in a uniform manner. This aerial view gives us a perspective of the sheer size of the farmlands. The colors of farmlands. As we fly over the fields, we can see that the farmlands are not just about the expanse, but also about the colors. The colors of the crops change with the seasons, and each season brings with it a new hue. In the spring, the fields are filled with a vibrant green as the crops begin to sprout. In the summer, the fields are a golden yellow as the crops mature. And in the fall, the fields turn to a warm orange and red as the crops are harvested. This ever-changing landscape is a feast for the eyes. The patterns of farmlands. The farmlands are not just about the colors, but also about the intricate patterns that emerge. As we fly over the fields, we can see the different crops growing in neat and tidy rows. The patterns created by the crops are a marvel to behold. The straight lines of the crops, stretching out in all directions, are a testament to the precision and hard work that goes into farming. The beauty of farmland details. As we get closer to the ground, we can see the intricate details of the farmlands. The individual plants and crops are unique, and each has its own story to tell. We can see the details of the leaves, the flowers, and the fruits. We can also see the small insects that call these crops their home. The beauty of the details is something that can only be truly appreciated through drone footage. The technology of farmlands. Farming has come a long way since the days of manual labor. Today, farmers use the latest technology to ensure that their crops grow healthy and strong. Drones are just one of the many tools that farmers use to monitor their crops. With drone footage, farmers can get a bird's-eye view of their fields and identify any problem areas that need attention. This technology has revolutionized the way we farm and has made it more efficient than ever before. So there you have it, the beauty of farmlands captured through the lens of a drone. The expanse, the colors, the patterns, the details, and the technology all come together to create a landscape that is both breathtaking and awe-inspiring. We hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gave you a new appreciation for the hard work that goes into farming. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.